Hey guys, this is Naira Banerjee and you're watching me on Let's Talk with Faridoon.
So I was watching this podcast with Elvish
Podcast.
Yadav. Podcast with Elvish Yadav.
Yeah.
So mainly roasting तो वो आपकी थी, लेकिन रोस्ट आपने उनको कर दिया आखिर में, और वो काफी चर्चा में भी है.
यार देखो, अगर मेरी कोई रोस्टिंग करे तो मैं तो उसको वापस तो दूंगी ना. अदरवाइज हिसाब बराबर कैसे हुआ? It won't be fun otherwise.
So but did you have the, were you told that you'll be asked, and did you have the questions prepared beforehand?
No, it was all impromptu and a couple of comments that I've been checking because he did that to me and I knew that he'll be prepared to roast me and all. उसका that's his forte, right? Roasting people. So अब मुझे जब पता है कि मैं एल्विश के यहाँ पे जा रही हूँ फोडकास्ट करने के लिए, नाम ही फोडकास्ट है, पॉडकास्ट नहीं, तो I had to be prepared that चलो भैया थोड़ी सी मिरर हम भी दिखा देते हैं. मजा आएगा. It's a very fun
It's a fun thing. It's
fun.
No, but interesting part is that even you pushed the envelope in terms of you went on to the wish part.
Yeah.
You went on to the chapri part,
Yeah.
and behind the bars and those things. So that was like taking like a step forward and.
Why not? I mean, if somebody can do that to me and in a fun space, then even I can do that. It's about अगर आप जोक कर रहे हो तो आपको जोक झेलने की भी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. और उसका पूरा मोटिव ही वही था कि हम एक दूसरे को फोड़े. That's why it's a podcast.
Right. And for example, when he was joking about a lot of things about you, for example, with regards to the drugs and the one night stands and everything.
Yeah.
So what was your mental space like?
I was like, God, this guy is pushing limits. Okay, let me see what can I do. So I started speaking about his case, and I started speaking about वही hotel room में लड़की लेके जा रहे हो कि नहीं and all that. Whatever things he's notorious about or he's famous about or whatever. So yeah, we tried that.
And I think the response is outstanding.
Yeah. People are loving it actually. मुझे तो लगा था मुझे बहुत ट्रोलिंग मिलेगी, लेकिन बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है because they understood, even the audience understands it's all in healthy space. It's just masti. He's been an ex Big Boss, he's a winner of Big Boss, and I've been a contestant, plus roasting each other. It's a fun space, so they all understand, and okay, audiences are a little fine now. They are not trolling me as I was expecting.